The elephant rope. As the man was passing through the elephant camp, he suddenly stopped, and confused by the fact that these huge animals were being held by the use of only a small rope tied to their front leg. No chains, no cages to hold them back. It was obvious that the elephants could any time break away the rope and get out of the camp. He saw a trainer nearby and asked that why these animals just stood there and made no attempt to get away. Well, the trainer said, when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size of rope to tie them, and at that age it's enough to hold them back. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe that they cannot break the rope away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break the rope. The man was amazed. These animals could at any time break free from their bonds, but because they believed they could not, they were just stuck right they were. Moral: like the elephants, how many of us go through the same life hangings onto a belief that we cannot do something, simply because we failed at once? Failure is a part of learning, and it's natural to use your confidence during failure. But have you noticed that each failure takes you to another level of maturity? This is our life, the one and only. Then why do we give up on it so early? Why not to fight for our wants, for our dreams, for our hopes? Why do we accept the failure and defeat so easily? Why not to fight for everything? Why not to face everything until we succeed? Until your dream becomes reality? Why is the fear of failure blinding us from our dreams? Have courage. Try, and try until you succeed. Because there is only one life, and we are supposed to make a better use of it. It's now or never. Thank you.